Welcome to the 12th lesson of SmartKnitter, Knit Specification Level 2. The main focus of this lesson is on calculating the length of the collar band with colorline. We have mock wrap top on the front panel. This section is the colorline, serving as a marker to facilitate linking. Let's now set the link segment for the collar band. You can start by deleting the original link segments and add the necessary segments. By left-clicking on the color line, you can add the link segment. This marks the end of this class. Thank you for watching.